Alright, Dusty Crew, we have something really exciting for you guys. We've got this big box here from Rugged Radios. Thank you guys, Rugged Radios, for helping us out with this one. We would not have been able to afford this headset otherwise. We got
special pricing.
Yeah. So thank you guys. Let's do an unboxing and see what we got.
So,
look at the tape. It has their logo on it.
my tape at work has the same. Fancy
cool.
schmancy.
I want Dust Buggy tape.
No. $1,000 a roll.
Yeah, right. Goodies. Ooh, so many goodies.
Nice light in there.
Jesus.
Magnetic antenna mount.
Couple
two
of headsets.
Big old poster or something. I don't know. Oh,
Antenna.
That's
the antenna.
Let's see. What do we got here?
A bunch of cableage.
Some kind of electronic that I do not know.
Filter?
Sound filter.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's right.
Something. Noise canceling.
Yeah, something like that. The cable for it.
Cables for the headsets.
Ooh, there's the radio.
The radio and the intercom.
Yeah. Very cool.
So I guess let's start pulling it all out.
Yeah.
So let's move this over here.
So we can lay them out on the bench.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm limited on space. Got so much going on right now. I got like all kinds of bug parts out that I'm working on. I got truck parts out that I'm working on. I got this thing beam I'm working on. I got a bug ball joint beam over there I'm working on. Oh man.
You just got too many things going on right now, huh? Woo.
So here we go.
Open it.
Let's hit first. Notice I'm opening Ashland's and I'll keep mine closed. And
I see how this is. Yeah, I do the same thing with your fries.
Oh, you just steal my fries and leave yours pristine.
You're like, how'd you get so many more than me? I'm like, I don't know. That's weird.
Like, man, my fries are like, I feel like I got skimmed. So we got like some dust socks for the ear pieces. Don't get them all dusty.
Nice.
You got cable of short length and then it hooks up to the long cable. You got your little microphone here, nice and wrapped up.
Ooh, I want to wear
Your
it.
sound deadener on it. I want to wear it first.
I thought this was mine.
Okay.
Oh my god.
This is soft.
Yeah, and I can't hear like hardly anything. It's nice.
There you go.
It's like a quiet zone.
Alright, now it's my
Alright,
turn.
your turn.
Probably have to adjust these. So. But,
Who cares?
oh yeah,
Way better.
that cancels out a lot of sound.
So, one of the main reasons that we needed one of these systems, I say need because we do YouTube, and I really wanted to have the audio on point because you guys can't hear us at all when we're in there. We're shouting, and it sounds awful. So hopefully, I can record the audio on these things and make our videos even better.
Still gotta adjust it more. So let's check out the intercom.
Ooh.
So did you say we got something new or different or something?
Yeah, something about a new product that wasn't released yet. I'm not sure what's different though.
So here we have the 696 rugged intercom. I don't know the difference between all of them. I am definitely not a tech person. This is pretty badass. It's a feels like an aluminum casing, aluminum faceplate edge here with a digital button face there. Looks like you've got your ground through the case, and you've got all your labels and colors for your different plugs. Your auxiliary out. Let's see what these plugs look like. Okay, so they're pinned, little pinned plugs. That's nice. They give you these little booties.
Ooh, that's nice. Look at the manual.
One-page manual.
Yeah, look at how simple this is.
Here's some mounting brackets they supply. Just a couple little L brackets. Slides on the side. L bracket bolts up to that. With your crush washer and your
So you can
acorn
adjust
nut.
it. Huh?
So you can mount it flat, and you can adjust
Wherever,
where you want it.
yeah.
Actually, you could mount it kind of
Angled.
I mean,
if
as
you
long
need.
as the box clears, you can mount it however you want. You can mount it
Wow.
on the bottom of something, on the top of something. You could mount it like maybe on the side of something, or like that.
That's
I don't
pretty
know.
cool.
You know, so you could pretty much mount it however you want.
Next.
Then we have. So what is this? This is a sound filter of some sort. So I'm not sure exactly how this stuff works.
Basically, there's a lot of like interference
It all
and
comes
stuff.
in and comes out cleaner. Basically.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's the best I know about it.
So here we have a universal
Magnetic.
antenna mount. It's magnetic. I've never really been a fan of magnetic things, but we will see how this works out. I'm sure they figured it out, and it's strong
Dang.
enough to hold up.
That looks freaking thick.
It's pretty big.
Yeah. Falls off.
Right. So we'll see. We'll see.
Well, I think they had an option to do something like bolt on through the roof, but I
Yeah.
was like,
Well, we could make it off the cage.
Yeah, that too. Now the antenna.
Oh no.
Oh. Dang.
So you got what screws on to this guy. Yeah. And then you got your skinny antenna, which is probably like spring steel or something like that, I would assume.
Nice.
Pretty cool. We are pretty stoked for sure.
Yee!
And
the
I guess last
radio.
is the radio.
Radio.
The rugged radio. So you get user's manual. This one luckily is more than one page long. Some wires, your hot and ground wires with some fuses. Your mounting tray. Here is the rugged radio. And some kind of, what is this? A magic mount.
Oh, that must be like
For
a
a handheld. Oh, for this.
magnetic thing.
It's a stick-on mount. for
Oh,
this.
okay. Yeah, magnetic mount.
Oh, duh. Literally said
No,
magnetic.
it's magic though. Wait, let me
Oh.
see the radio.
Nope.
No. Oh. Wow.
Looks
look
like
at
a
that.
little Jeep radio or something.
I
It's a
like it.
radio for sure.
Oh, I like the
It's got.
rugged inscribed on
That's
it.
pretty cool right there. So this has got like a filter mesh before
A
the
fan,
breather
huh?
and the fan.
That's cool.
So hopefully it should keep all the schmutz out of there.
Some of it, at least.
Yeah, once again, I don't know anything about electronics, so sorry.
Let me see the.
Yeah. I'm getting
Ah, get there faster.
Last but not least,
The most exciting part.
The headset. The headset's really
Handset. What is it really
your
called?
hand control.
Let me see. Breaker. We're stuck. Over. So once again, I want to give a big thank you to Rugged Radios for helping us out with this system. We really needed it, and it's going to make our videos that much better.